Have I got good news for you people that are using the SDR Play radios, those SDRs? The much delayed software from them is now available in a test version. And I ran across this video a few minutes ago from their channel, one of their channels, SDR Play Ham Guides, which Mike briefly tells you about the new software. I downloaded it, I connected it to my RSP Duo, and it works. It takes a little bit of getting used to. The interface is super clean. Learning curve is very low. I was able to get things going in a few minutes, which is good for me. And the only negative is the displays are a little, I hate to use the term blah, compared to the previous versions of their software and the SDR console from Simon. Little blah, and you'll see in this video what I mean. Now, another term would be they're clean. That's another term. But it's now available if you go to their website. This is sdrplay.com/SDRconnect/ Then this is where the software is in a brief description. There's a picture of it. To me, that's, I don't know. I'm so used to using SDR console with its multicolored spectrum and waveform displays. And maybe there are ways you can change this. I just used it for like 2 minutes and I go, I got to tell the world about this. So here's some things that they've added. Works on many operating systems: Windows, Linux, Mac, and coming on a Raspberry Pi, and coming on Android and the Apple tablet. Let's see, what did I say? So it says SDRconnect, the new one, and SDR Uno can coexist, which I have both installed on my computer. The latest version of SDRconnect is release August 10th. Guess what today is? August 10th. So there's the download. You click on one of these depending on your operating system. Of course, I use Windows. I downloaded that, did the install. Straightforward, works fine, no problems. And then there are going to be, I'm sure, a lot of videos from them similar to this one here. This is just an intro of all the features. And I noticed in the directory where it was installed, there's a whole bunch of add-ons. I haven't tried them yet, and I don't know how to get to them yet, but we're going to learn. I'm going to keep, of course, I'll keep doing shows about these things as I learn how to use it. Please, any comments you got, whether you like it or don't like it, features you like, please leave comments. And if you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. That tells YouTube people that, hey, I'm still alive. Have a great day. Bye-bye.